Imagine this. It's a Monday morning. You walk into your favorite coffee shop, order your iced latte. Total comes up $5.50. But instead of swiping your bank card, you just pull out your phone, scan a quick code, and boom, it's paid. Your bank account is untouched. That's not the future. That's already happening with Pi Network. That $5.50? It was covered by Pi, a digital currency you've been earning every single day, just by tapping once on your phone. No stress, no heavy mining machines, just a tap. See, for years people thought crypto was only for experts or investors. Too complicated, too expensive, and honestly, who's gonna pay for coffee with Bitcoin when the fees cost more than the drink? But Pi is changing all that. It makes crypto easy, practical, and usable for daily life. Coffee, groceries, services, simple payments. Before I break it down, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button so more people can discover this. And if you're new here, subscribe for more deep dives on Pi and Web3. So, what is Pi? Pi Network launched on March 14, 2019. Pi Day, by a group of Stanford PhDs. Their mission? Make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which burns crazy amounts of energy and requires expensive equipment, Pi is mined on your phone. One tap every 24 hours. That's it. No battery drain, no extra data. Just simple participation. Here's how it works. Step 1. Download the Pi Network app. Step 2. Once a day, open it and tap the lightning button. Step 3. Build your security circle by inviting trusted people. And that's all. You're earning Pi while helping secure the network. The mining rate drops as more people join, which means early users get rewarded. Now, here's where Pi is different. Most cryptos rush into exchanges, get pumped, then crash. Pi did the opposite. It built a community first, millions of people, before moving to open trading. And now, with the Open Network Live, Pi is moving towards real, global use. People are already buying and selling with Pi inside the ecosystem. Soon you'll be able to spend Pi like cash anywhere in the world. This isn't just another crypto project. This is a shift in how we use money, a currency anyone can mine, a network powered by people, not a handful of wealthy miners. A system where everyday payments are instant, affordable, and simple. So, the real question isn't, what is Pi Network? The question is, are you ready to be part of this shift? If you are, stick around. I'll be sharing more guides, updates, and tips right here. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.